In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a radial effect in Clipchamp, step by step. If you want to create a spotlight look, draw attention to a specific subject, or add a subtle vignette-style focus to your video, the radial effect is a super quick and powerful tool to use. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can apply it confidently to any project. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp editing guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp in your browser and go to any project of your choice. You can either start a brand new project or open an existing one that you're currently working on. Once your project loads, make sure your video clips are already added to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. If you haven't imported your footage yet, simply upload your media and drag it down to the timeline before continuing. Now, to apply the radial effect, you need to select the specific clip you want to edit. Go down to your timeline and click on any part of the video clip where you want the effect to appear. When you click on the clip, it will become highlighted, which means it's selected and ready for editing. It's very important to make sure the correct clip is selected, especially if you're working with multiple layers or multiple video segments. With the clip selected, move your attention to the right-hand side editing panel. Here you'll see different editing options available for your selected clip. Look for the option labeled Effects and click on it. This will open the Effects library, where Clipchamp provides a variety of visual effects that you can apply instantly to your video. Inside the Effects section, scroll through the available options until you find the effect called Radial. Once you see Radial, click on it to apply it to your selected clip. As soon as you click it, you'll notice a preview appear directly on your video in the preview window. This allows you to immediately see how the radial effect changes the look of your footage. The radial effect typically creates a focused area in the center of your frame, while softly fading or blurring the outer edges. This is perfect for emphasizing a person's face, highlighting a product, or guiding the viewer's attention exactly where you want it. Take a moment to check the preview and see how it looks with your specific footage. Depending on your project, you may also see adjustable settings for the effect. If those options are available, you can fine-tune the intensity, size, or positioning of the radial focus to better match your creative vision. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so feel free to experiment until it looks just right. And that's it. You've successfully added a radial effect to your video in Clipchamp. It's a simple process. Open your project, select your clip in the timeline, click on Effects, choose Radial, and preview the result. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can continue editing your video or export it as usual. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Clipchamp tutorials. I post easy-to-follow guides to help you edit faster and more creatively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.